Protein Data Bank, PDB. The Protein Data Bank is the single global archive for the 3D shapes of biological macromolecules, such as proteins, DNA, and RNA. It is the cornerstone of modern structural biology, enabling everything from basic cell research to the development of life-saving drugs. History and development. The PDB has evolved from a small, community-driven project into a massive international infrastructure. Inception, 1971. The PDB was established at Brookhaven National Laboratory, BNL, following a symposium on structure and function of proteins at the three-dimensional level. At its launch, it contained only 7 structures. Development. In 1998, management shifted to the Research Collaboratory for Structural Bioinformatics, RCSB. As structural biology exploded globally, the wwPDB, Worldwide Protein Data Bank, was formed in 2003 to maintain a single, uniform archive shared by regional centers in the US, RCSB, Europe, PDB, and Japan, PDBj. Current status. Today, the PDB holds over 240,000 structures. It is no longer just a repository for X-ray crystallography, it now heavily features nuclear magnetic resonance, NMR, and cryo-electron microscopy data. Historical timeline, inception to development. 1971, birth of PDB. Founded at Brookhaven National Laboratory. Initiated by Edgar Meyer, Walter Hamilton. Started with 7 protein structures. Data distributed via magnetic tapes. 1980s, growth phase. Increase in X-ray crystallography structures. Protein engineering studies. PDB became essential for molecular biology. 1990s, Internet era. Online access began. Rapid structure deposition. Emergence of NMR structures. 1998, transfer to RCSB. Management transferred to Research Collaboratory for Structural Bioinformatics, USA. 2003, formation of wwPDB. The global consortium Worldwide PDB, wwPDB, was formed with partners RCSB PDB, PDB, PDBj. This ensured uniform data standards, global data synchronization, standard validation protocols. 2014, PDBx/mmCIF becomes standard. Original PDB format had limitations. Adopted PDBx/mmCIF format for large complexes, viruses, ribosomes. Current status, 2026. 240,000 plus structures. Updated weekly. Supports structures from X-ray crystallography, NMR spectroscopy, cryo-electron microscopy, cryo-M. Major structures include ribosome, SARS-CoV-2 spike protein, DNA polymerase. What type of information does PDB contain? Each PDB entry contains A. Structural data, 3D atomic coordinates, X, Y, Z. Bond connectivity, chain information, residue information. B. Experimental data, method used, X-ray diffraction, NMR, cryo-M. Resolution, R factor, refinement statistics. C. Biological information, protein name, organism source, gene name, enzyme classification, EC number, ligands bound. D. Sequence information, amino acid sequence, secondary structure annotation, E. Validation reports, Ramachandran plot, geometry checks, structure quality metrics. Why was it made? Before the PDB, structural data was often buried in paper journals or kept on private tapes. It was created to centralize data, provide a one-stop shop for structural biologists. Standardization, ensure that data from different labs use the same coordinate systems and formats. Facilitate research, allow scientists to visualize how molecules interact, which is crucial for understanding diseases and designing synthetic enzymes. Information contained in the PDB. A PDB entry dataset containing atomic coordinates, the XYZ positions of every atom in the molecule. Experimental metadata, details on how the crystal was grown or how the microscope was used. Primary sequence, the amino acid or nucleotide sequence. Ligand/inhibitors, information on drugs or small molecules bound to the protein. Structure quality, statistics on how well the model fits the actual experimental data, R factors, resolution. The PDB ID. Each structure is assigned a unique 4-character alphanumeric code called a PDB ID. Format, usually starts with the digit, 1 to 9. Example, 1A8M, HIV1 protease, or 4HHB, hemoglobin. Function, this ID is used in scientific papers to allow other researchers to download the exact same data. File formats, the shift from .pdb to .cif. For decades, the standard was the .pdb format, a fixed column text file. However, as structures grew larger, like the ribosome, the old format hit its limits. File formats used in PDB. Format. Description. Status. PDB, legacy. Fixed column format. Old but readable. PDBx/mmCIF. Modern structured format. Current standard. MMTF. Binary compressed format. Fast visualization. XML. Structured XML format. Computational use. The PDB format, legacy. It uses a 80-column record structure. The most important records are atom and hitatom. The PDBx/mmCIF format, current standard. The PDB now uses the mmCIF, macromolecular crystallographic information file, format. Unlike the old format, it has no limit on the number of atoms or chains, making it essential for huge complexes. mmCIF removes formatting limitations of legacy PDB files.